Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Gadebaha maka PVC. Gadebaha maka PVC, which means go register for PVC or go and register for PVC in case you have not done that. And the likely response we expect from you is to say, Ole bem gemeya, Ole bem gaemeya, which means, where will I do it? Ole bem gemeya, where will I do it? Take note of the color of each word that makes up the sentence or phrase, as they are meant to give you a better understanding of the structure of the sentence and guide you to also write in case that is one of your goals. And as you do, step out there and interact with somebody. This is the season of PVC registration. Tell somebody, Gadebaha maka PVC. That is the only way you can learn how to speak Igbo language, by practicing it. That will also help you to understand how to pronounce them accordingly and then put them in practice. And as you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like and comment so that you don't miss our next upload, and you help others to discover this also. God bless you. See you in the next video.